everyone, my name is Jenny Antunes and welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion for all things beauty. Today I got both of my Ipsy Glam bags for January. Yes, that's right, I got both the Glam bag and the Glam bag Plus once again. Decided to give them both one more shot and hopefully this will be the tiebreaker. Now, for those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription, and each month you'll be able to receive a bag of products based on what your preferences are, which you do let them know by taking a short quiz and reviewing products that you get each month. The Glam bag, which is $12 a month, and you'll receive at least $50 worth of 5 deluxe samples with having the choice of one item. The Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month, and you will get the opportunity to choose 3 of your items each month and receive at least $120 worth of 5 full-size products. What I love is that with Ipsy, you are allowed to choose as many options as you would like each month. Plus, if for whatever reason you want to skip a month or two, you can easily do so through your Ipsy account rather than going through the whole process of canceling your account and then having to re-sign up again. On top of that, you get the opportunity to save on a variety of makeup, skincare, and beauty products, full-size and deluxe samples through their add-on program. If you are interested in getting your own Ipsy Glam Bag subscription each month, or if you would like to learn more about Ipsy, I will have my referral link in the description box down below for you. Now, let's see what goodies I got this month from Ipsy. So I'm going to start off with the Glam bag, and this month's theme is Dream It. So also with your Glam bag, you'll receive a card with that month's theme, and when you open it up, you will see each of the items that you have, a little description of each of them, along with their full-size price. And what I love about Ipsy is that they also give you a beauty tip on each of the products. The first item I got is Foxy Bay 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In Hair Mask. Ooh. I think this is the first hair product I've ever received between BoxyCharm and Ipsy. This is the first hair product I've gotten. This multitasking leave-in mask, it's packed with 12 different butters, oils, and proteins, is your new must-have for a good hair day. Those of you who don't know, I am still in the process of growing my hair out. I had stage 3 Hodgkin's lymphoma in 2019, and it's still not quite at the length it was prior to having cancer. So for the last year and a half, I have tried a variety of different shampoos and hair products to try to get my hair back to its normal health. And this will be definitely something I would love to try out. So my next product is, another brush. Wow, this one is really cool looking. Look at the handle. Isn't that cool? And I love these little gems right here. This is what it looks like. It looks like a foundation brush. Yep. So it says it's a flat foundation B12 brush. The easiest way to ditch visible makeup lines for good. Making this foundation brush a staple in your routine, the bristles are baby soft, but blend liquid and cream foundations to streak-free perfection. I do have to say it is very, very soft. I've had flat foundation brushes before, and they definitely were not this soft. And I have to say, they weren't really this thick either. They were like really, really thin. Next product is Glow on 5th Hydrate and Renew Replenishing Night Cream. Sleep soundly knowing your skin is getting all the hydration it needs when you slather on this rejuvenating night cream. It uses sandalwood oil, linseed oil, and hyaluronic acid to plump, brighten, moisturize, and improve skin's texture for the glowing skin of your dreams. Wow, this actually sounds like a perfect night cream for what I look for in my skincare routine, especially in the winter time. Right now, in the nighttime, I am focusing on keeping my skin hydrated and moisturized. And then during the day, in my morning skincare routine, I do a lot of the brightening, like using vitamin C. So this seems like it's going to have both the hydrating and the brightening all in one. I'm actually going to stop using my typical nighttime moisturizer, and I'm going to start using this tonight because I really want to see if it's going to make a difference. Next product is Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara in black. I love my mascara. The last mascara I got from Ipsy actually ended up becoming one of my favorite finds of 2020. So I'm really interested to see this out. So this is what it looks like. And let's see what the bristles look like. So the bristles look like a typical volumizing mascara. So it says, every now and then a mascara comes along that makes us go wow. And this is one of them. So the bristles in the brush doesn't look like a wow to me, but I wonder if the formula is. For long, fluttery lashes with major volume, look no further than this gravity-defying formula that lifts, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes with avocado, jojoba, and castor oils. Normally on my day-to-day makeup routine, I used Avon's Nourishing Mascara. So I'm actually interested in trying this out and comparing it to that one because I know that the Avon Nourishing Mascara actually really does help out with nourishing your lashes. I actually did it before and after when it first came out, and I couldn't believe how much of a difference it made. So we'll have to try this out and do maybe a beauty battle. We'll see. So last but not least is the Even Prime Cleansing Gel. So when it comes to the perfect face wash, this one checks all the right boxes. It effectively removes dirt and excess oil, hydrates skin with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5, and is free of sulfates, synthetic fragrance, and essential oils, making it safe for all skin types. This actually sounds like it would be a perfect cleanser for my winter skincare routine. I'm actually almost done with my current cleanser. So this is everything I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. And I have to say, overall, it is a pretty good bag. I am definitely not wowed by it like I was the last couple months, but there are a couple products that I am interested in trying out. So now let's get to my Glam Bag Plus. Now, just like with the Glam Bag, there is a theme, and it is the same theme. It's the Dream It theme. And, of course, it also came with a card. This month, it gives you your beauty resolutions for your sign. I am a Leo, so it says, nothing will dull your shine. Consider highlighter your holy grail. I do love highlighter. I have to say, it is kind of annoying that I have to go online to get my Glam Bag Plus items. I do like having the information on a card, especially doing videos for you guys. It just makes it so much easier. That's just my preference. I also received in my Glam Bag Plus a card with Glam Bag X Patrick Ta, and it is about their Glam Bag X. So I'm definitely going to have to go and check to make sure that I am signed up for this because this is sounding very interesting. Okay, now let's get to the bag. First product I got is butter. So this is one of the items I picked. It's the butter cleanser. It's supposed to cleanse, remove unwanted purities while enriching essential oils and maintaining skin's natural pH. Now, I intentionally had picked this out because I knew that my current cleanser was on its way out, and the cleanser that I had for backup, I really wanted to wait to use it until summertime, and I actually forgot that I had picked this in my Glam Bag Plus. So after I'm done using the one that's in my Glam Bag, I'm probably going to end up using this. It has soothing coconut oil and lavender flower extract conditioned to calm your complexion, leaving your skin smooth, hydrated, and healthy looking. Gently lifts away dirt, oil, debris, and sloughs off dead surface cells that cause dullness. Next is... So this is Candy Johnson X Perlice Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. This is another choice item, and I remember that I had chosen this because A, the other options weren't as appealing to me as this one, and 2, I had picked this because I knew I was on my way out with my body lotion I was using. So I figured I would grab this, but I actually ended up picking something because once again, I forgot I had ordered this. So the benefits, it says, is coconut oil, which softens and nourishes skin, orange, which rejuvenates dull skin, vanilla, which calms skin with its anti-inflammatory benefits, sugarcane, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells, fruit extra promotes elasticity, clarity, and skin suppleness. Mongongo seed and moringa oil, which helps prevent skin aging, and yupaku seed and shea butter, which smooths skin and deeply moisturizes. Wow, that's got a lot of incredible and beneficial ingredients. With it being wintertime, my skin from head to toe has been screaming for hydration. So I'm definitely going to be using this tonight. The other body cream that I picked up was just a normal, not anything special body lotion. So we'll see if this one works. Next is Old Fadden MD Mist RX Daily Nutrient Facial Mist. Now, there's 2 reasons why I chose this. 1, this was the most expensive option out of the choices I had. And 2, I really love the fact that this is something I would be able to apply throughout the day to help keep my skin hydrated and just give my skin the nutrients it is desperately needing right now. So according to the Ipsy website, it says that it is a spray-on multivitamin for your face. This mist re-energizes and revitalizes dull, tired skin with a blend of plant-based antioxidants and minerals. Together, they help brighten your complexion, soothe inflammation, and protect your skin from pollution and blue light. Wow, that's even better than I thought. So this will definitely be getting added to my daily makeup routine throughout the day. I'll just apply this and see how it goes. So, next item is obviously not a choice item because I already did my 3 choice items. Ooh, Versali Unicorn Essence Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum. I don't believe I've ever tried any Versali products. I did. I think I might have only used one thing. Don't quote me on it. But I do know that Versali has amazing packaging. And yes, this is right up my alley. The little gold and purple, like maroon purple. Love it. So according to the Ipsy website, this is a multitasking serum that is loaded with antioxidant-rich superfruits to improve skin health, minimize signs of aging like dark spots and fine lines, and create a smooth canvas for makeup. And I noticed on the box that it says that this can also be used as a primer. I love when skincare products can be used for skincare as well as for priming the skin. I am a big advocate in preparing your skin for makeup application. It is going to make a huge difference. Now, I at first wasn't sure if I was going to even try this out, but I actually think this would be very interesting in trying out to see if it will actually work and do what it says. As I am getting closer to 40, I am getting the dark spots. I mean, I've always had fine lines and little wrinkles around my eyes, but now they are starting to spread. So I am definitely interested to see if this will really help with slowing down the aging process for me. So last but not least is Wander Beauty. I think I got an eyeliner pencil from them last month from Ipsy. It's a great liner to apply in like my waterline. Like I love applying it right here. It does not move. It doesn't budge. I love it. So this is their brow pencil. And it's a micro brow pencil. See what the shade is. it's even worth me looking at it. Dark brown. Okay, so it's worth me looking at. So this is what the spoolie looks like, which I actually really love because it is thin, but you can see it has space in between the bristles, so that way I can really brush my brows into place. This is going to be a perfect micro brow pencil. I just love that tip. Oh my god. That was just me slightly doing that on my back of my hand, and look how much they look like hair-like strokes. What I noticed that's different about this formula compared to the Benefit and the L'Oreal is this formula is a little bit harder. So like when you go like this, like it's not so creamy where you kind of get more of a smudge-like look. Like it's a little bit hard. So you're getting those hair-like strokes. You like lightly press. I'm impressed. I think this is going to be my new favorite brow pencil. Oh, thank you, Ipsy. This is what I've been actually looking for. Something like this for what, 2 years now? Thank God I finally found it. So that is everything I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I would have to say I'm actually looking forward more of trying out these products than I am of the Glam Bag, which I think is going to lead me to finally making a decision on what I'm going to do, but I'm going to sleep on it. And you'll have to come back next month to see what I do. I am, however, interested in hearing what you have to say. What do you think? Which bag do you prefer? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're down there, if you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by clicking that like button. As always, if you have not done so already, I welcome you to join me here on my channel by subscribing and hitting that notification bell. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.